Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you learn how to create map visualization in Power BI. Maps are a powerful tool for analyzing geographical data, helping us uncover trends, patterns, and insights that might be difficult to spot in traditional charts and tables. When combined with other visuals, maps provide a clearer and more comprehensive view of business performance. Let's get it started. The first step is to get data into Power BI. Go to Get Data, then from Excel Workbook, click Excel. Then let's get our data, raw data. It will open the navigator. So let's tap the table 1, then load. Okay, our data is still loading. So here it is. This is our data, it's having everything. So this is the visualization pane. Let's click a map. Let's drag it down here. Let's resize it. So you're going to put units per country, units sold per country. So let's pick a country. So we're getting an error because our map is not enabled. Go to File, go to Options, then Options, then go to Global, then Security, then check Custom Visuals, check that one, check Maps and Field Map Visuals. So now let's create our map. Let's try it if it's working. So resize our map. We need a bigger map. So let's pick our country. Oh, so it's now working. Let's resize it. Okay, now let's pick our unit sold. So this is our map. Let's go to map settings. Let's give it a title. Unit sold by country. Let's give it a font color. Let's go with blue. Bold. Let's give it a font size. Let's go with 16. Okay. Let's reposition it. Then go to Effects. Go to Effects. Here we're going to drop a shadow. Then drop a shadow. Let's format it again. Let's go to bubbles. So let's resize it. Let's go with 12. Okay. So when you hover around the bubbles, you get the country and the units sold. The bigger the bubble, it means more units were sold in that particular country. The smaller, the less units sold. Let's go to bubbles. You can change the color. You can do pink. You can do black. You can do any color that you want. So let's go do purple, but let's go with the blue, that blue. Okay, put the category. You can do a heat map. Let's resize it to see the effect. Okay, these are the effect, these are the hits. So we're not going to use this one. Let's go with the bubbles. Then we can go with auto zoom, or we can include a zoom button by checking the zoom button. So with this you can click the addition sign to zoom, and you can zoom it out like that. Let's uncheck it. Let's go with that one. Then I'm going to do the map styles. The first one is aerial. It's for accurate mapping of land cover, making landscape features understandable. Let's do another one. We go with dark. The dark one allows viewers to more easily recognize the data that is important. Let's go with light. Light, traditional and sober, and can be a great option. Let's do another one. Let's go with the grayscale. The grayscale fits many themes, also helps viewers to easily recognize the data. Let's go the last one. Road. The road is the colorful option. It helps to identify the borders and roads, but I normally prefer this one. Let's go with that one. So let's add slices. Go to visualization pane, click slices, then click the country, then resize it. Go to slicer setting to pick the kind of, you can do tile. Let's do tile. Let's resize it. Let's resize it. Let's put it up here. Okay, let's pause. Let's format it. Go to values. These are the values. Let's give them a good color. Let's go with blue, then bold. Go back to general, go to effects. Here we're going to drop a shadow. Check the shadow. Okay, it's looking nice. Let's go back to general. Let's go back to the visual. That is the header. You can check or uncheck it, but let's leave it. Let's give it a font color or that pink, but pink ain't good. Let's give it a font size. I think let's just do blue. Okay. Then copy it. Paste it there. Here we're going to slice the product. So let's resize it a bit. Let's remove the country, pick the product. Okay. Let's reposition this. Let's align it. Align top, then align bottom. This one is for repositioning it. Okay. So this is our map chart. Very interactive. You can check the countries. Try our slices. Our slices are working. You can check the products. Okay. Okay, it's very interactive. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow. Goodbye.